back to.
Now solo.
Perfect. And would you like solo pictures? I think if we could have a solo picture of Nargis on stage.
No, center. Perfect. सामने एकदम.
So you need to face the center. I hope they don't ask you to do a 360 rotation.
Center.
ये तो मागे
Both will be comfortable more with English, no?
Yeah, English is better for me.
Yeah. English is better.
I mean,
If it's
whatever you want.
या तो आप हिंदी में पूछोगे तो mix आएगा.
Or English.
I can do a mix, but
Okay, go.
Nargis, tell us about the association with the parachute first.
My association with Parachute as a brand, well, I've been with them for a while now, and I love the brand because I'm a holistic type of person. I believe in the medical attributes of coconut oil for your hair, for your skin, and also, I don't know, many people may not know this, I also use coconut oil as a mouthwash.
How do you take care of your hair?
What do I do for my hair? Well, shampoo, condition, and once a week, maybe sometimes more, I'll put coconut oil in my hair and leave it to give it some good moisture and help it heal from all those crazy blow drying and curling that we do, as you can see. I want to know, how did you feel being on stage, pinching your cheeks? That's him asking the question. So how do I, because I was there, okay. How do I feel being associated with the brand? Well, I feel very proud, and I'm like, I guess I was very excited, especially coming on stage today. I was overly excited because I really believe that in today's world, it's really, really hectic. We don't have time for ourselves, and we don't realize how important that is. Our body will start breaking down. So we need to find ways, and quicker ways, because it's a fast-paced world today, to give time to ourselves. So I think Moses and Parachute Advanced Knowledge Center really did a great thing by helping all of us to rediscover the ancient art of oiling. So for me, I've been using it, not every single technique, I'll be honest, but at least 2 of the techniques I've been using, and I really love it. Yeah, there's quite a lot actually. So
many techniques. So which one is your favorite?
my favorite, I'm a Libra, so I could never decide, but I do like instant energy because it uses your entire body in the beginning. I think we've made how-to videos, which I think will be coming out soon. So you'll get to see me and Moses in action together, demonstrating everything. I love instant energy because I'm lazy, and I need a kick in the morning, and it really gets the circulation going. So, yeah.
नरगिस, अगर बॉलीवुड की बात करें तो आपको किसके हेयर सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
Whose hair do I like?
Actor
Or actress? In Bollywood, whose hair do I like?
Nargis Fakri.
I guess, yeah, my own hair. I like my own hair. It's been good to me. These guys, thank you guys. Thank you for being with me through everything, all the trauma that they've caused you. I think in Bollywood, I think in India, hair is a big deal. You men, all of you love long hair, right? And let me tell you, you're the lucky ones, because keeping long hair takes a lot of work. And women have to dedicate time to ourselves and to keep our hair nice. So everybody in Bollywood has great hair. They have different, so you can see they keep it well.
You can say one name.
You just want me to say a name. They just want me to say a name. What name? I don't know. Who? I'll pick a girl instead. Deepika. She has great hair. But all the girls have great hair. We have to have great hair. We have no choice. It's our job.
Otherwise, they won't be in there.
Yeah, exactly. You're not going to want to watch us if we don't have great hair. So.
And since we're talking about Bollywood, it's an overwork industry. People are stressed out. They work for VR. So, who, according to you, needs to try this?
Who needs to try? Well, I mean, you said it. It's a hard job. It takes a lot of hours. We're constantly traveling. It's very stressful. So I think everyone needs it. You're going to want me to say
No,
a
but we
name.
often hear of actresses fainting on the sets and all
Oh,
that. So,
well-
would you like to suggest it to somebody?
Well, I would recommend it to both the female actresses and the male actresses. Somebody, I don't have a particular person. I think everyone should try it. And the reason why I'm so happy to be a propagator of this, new do-it-yourself techniques that Moses have created along with Parachute Advanced Knowledge Center is that I can bring awareness to everyone. So whoever's going to watch this, they're going to say, oh, wow. I hope they're going to say, oh, wow, let me try it. So
Thank you so much.
that was a lot of talking.